What's good, everyone? Welcome back. Welcome everyone to my channel, Trevor Quattro Build. If you wanna watch the journey with me and you wanna join and be a part of the journey, hit the subscribe button and hopefully you like it. So, long story short, I bought the cheapest Golf 1 in auction 2023. So it's a non-runner car. So I bought it. So in this video today, we're gonna be trying to make it run, because I got no idea if it runs, that is or what. So in today we're gonna be making it run, finding out the true behind the scene, that does it really runs, does it start, does it have what. I also got no idea how many miles it's got or how many its owner it's got, but you can check out your car on Car Vertical. It will show pictures, car damage.
Step 1, let's take out the tires and the suspension out. As you see, the tires are already out and the car is jacked up. I am sitting on stands. Now I removed already one side of the suspension, the rear one. It's tightened up by 2 nuts, 1 and 2, the left and right. Also on the other side, as you guys see at the other side, I already beginned. Here's the tires out, there's the jack. See the car sitting on the stand, and as you guys see, the suspension is a bit rusty, so I'm gonna modify it by putting another one. So I bought this one, the petrol filled pipe, 500 used one, nice second one from scrapyard. And now this is where the fuel goes through. The fuel goes through this pipe to the tank. So this pipe goes behind the chocks. That's the chocks. So it tightened up by 2 clamps. Only use the screwdriver for 1 and 2. So only use. So I begin to measure it to see, as I showed you guys, that tightening up with 2 clamps, 1, 2, and so I'm gonna try to fit and see does it fit in or So don't forget, this goes behind the shocks. The one goes behind the shocks, and then the parts that I'm holding on the right is small. I don't know where that goes in, but we etched it at the end, and you'll see where it goes in. So it only tightened up by one bolt here, another bolt here. So I was trying to fit it and see, as you guys can see there on top. Okay. I realized that the parts I'm holding on my right and the one on the left, they must be separated for it to fit in. So just need to separate it, the brackets inside the brackets, and put the pipe first, then the fuel pipe in. So I called for help because I didn't know where that small pipe fits in. One of the guys helped me, one of the gents, my team. So this pipe was not easy, simple as it looked. It took time long. So we put that on top. Then that pipe goes through all the way to the up there. See, that's the
Mucho
and now we cut it already. Our driver feeding back in, so it's also hard to